Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful affordable wig from Amazon. I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Today's hair is a synthetic wig from Kyle's Hair, and in the packaging they as usual left a wig cap, some cute lashes, and the wig itself. The color of this wig is ombre brown to golden blonde. It's a body wave wig. It's got a center parting and it is heat resistant, so this means you can add just a little bit of heat and it's not gonna burn. Someone asked me about this strap before, so I'm just quickly showing you guys how to put on the strap if you don't know how to do it. And as you guys can see, this is the hairline. We're gonna make sure that this looks super natural. You can't wear the wig looking like that. It's gonna literally look like a wig. You're trying to make sure that your hair looks as natural as possible. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. After trying the wig on, I felt that it was going on my head really well, and what I liked about it the most is the fact that it went around my head so perfectly, around my ears. I didn't have to do any cutting. It was just perfect. So this part is completely optional, but I'm using some hair cream and putting that in the hair, and as you guys can see, just running my fingers through it, I got just a little bit of shedding. This cream is to help remove that plastic feel on the wig. It has that feel and it keeps getting tangled, so me using the cream just helps get rid of that annoying feeling. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your hairline, the hairline on your synthetic wig, look super natural. Quickly, I'm just taking the hair out of my face. You'll need your foundation, a flat brush, whatever you use for your edges, and this is what I use, and you'll need a pair of scissors. Simply just add some foundation on your brush and just go over your hairline and make it look natural. You basically want your hairline to match your skin tone, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So do this until you feel satisfied, until you're happy enough. And now you take your mascara. Mine is a little old, so I'm using that, and just kind of go over your hairline. I don't know how to describe it, guys, just watch it. It's a lot easier when you just watch and copy what I'm doing. Basically, you're making your hairline look neat and straight. So if you see that it's not straight, or if there's anything you need to cover up, use the mascara and just go ahead and do that. Now, after cutting the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and create some baby hairs and make it look even more natural. Here I am again, adding more cream to my hair. Like I said earlier, this is optional, but I really prefer this because it helps me brush the hair really well, as you guys can see, and it removes any tangles. Synthetic wigs really tangle a lot, so doing this really helps to remove all of that, as you guys can see. If you guys know the annoying feeling that I'm talking about when it comes to synthetic wigs, let me know in the comment box. But if you're thinking of buying this wig, this is just my recommendation. This is what I do all the time and it works perfectly for me. So I'm just giving you guys some tips and I hope it does help. When it comes to synthetic wigs, do not be afraid to brush it, because if you don't brush it, it's gonna get old quicker, it's gonna get matted, it's gonna be harder to detangle. It can be so annoying, guys, so do not be afraid to brush it. Add water if you need to, you know, just do whatever you gotta do. Guys, clearly I can't stop brushing this hair. As you guys can see, the curls are bouncing. It is so easy to brush, and I'm gonna give credit to that cream that I added in the hair because it really makes a difference. Don't forget, you can also style this wig several ways, for example a side part. And guys, I just really like this wig. It's beautiful, very versatile, easy to use, easy to wear, and I hardly got any shedding, guys, just a little bit. But for a synthetic wig, the shedding was actually really good. It's great value for money. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot and it's completely free. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave any suggestions you have in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.